So we just touched down, got my boy Agung here.
Yeah.
We in Bali.
Welcome to Bali.
Let's go. So if you don't know me, my name's Will. I'm a Australian fella, 21, and I am going on a little 4-month backpacking trip. So stick along with the journey. And yeah, you'll be seeing more from me soon. Cheers. Alrighty, so I'm just waiting to check in at my hostel. They were nice enough to let me go for a bit of a swim before check-in. And yeah, the place is nice. We got ourselves a nice little pool. Got myself some 2 fried rice and water for shit like $7 Australian. Obviously you don't drink the water here, so yeah. Keep you updated. First bintang on the beach, baby. Tastes better than I thought, actually. It's stinking hot, but yeah, this is good. I like it. Alrighty, so day 3 here in Kuta. Getting some bikes, my boy Mark and Tito. Gonna be fun. We're off to a temple. It's about 40 miles away, so it's gonna be a bit of a hike, bit of an adventure. We'll stop by on the way. Yeah, show you around a little bit. Should be good. Alright, see ya. Alright, so went through a bit of bullshit with some cops on the scooter ride. We were gonna go to a temple today, but I don't know if we'll make it. We've ended up in Sanur, looking to reunite with my friend Toto, who we lost at the fucking police station. But sometimes it all works out for the best, because this is absolutely stunning. Talking boats. Sanur's like one of the harbour towns where you can ferry across to islands like Nusa, Lembongang and those sort of places, but yeah, it ain't too bad. Okay, so I'm at a temple, I think it's like Batari Temple. Super nice here. We were gonna go to a different one, but it was just a little bit too far away, and so we decided on this one. As you can see, I got the danks around going. Got some photos with a few Japanese ladies, classic. Yeah, super nice.
Dragon were real? Or just a medical?
Okay, so we made it to Taganagan. We actually found a guide who took us to a temple and a traditional Balinese house filled with art, but the main event is right there. And I tell you what, the photos don't do it justice. There was a huge flood last night, well, a big storm, so it's super rainy, but it's pretty dope. Get used to that. Not too shabby.
Yeah, but I'm so used to Australian dollars now. Well, bank account has an Australian bank account, not a German one. So I have $50 on my bank account.
We arrived at Nusa Dua. I'm dirty as shit. Ended up getting stopped by the cops. Had to actually pay this time, which was pretty bad. But all in all, it's been a sick day. And a view like this makes it worth it, baby. I won't get in the shot. Let's go. But yeah, I mean, all in all, not a bad day. We got there in the end. I'm dirty as shit, but it was sick.